Here it is, the brand new redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4. It is the sixth generation of the Toyota RAV4 and it's here. Hi, I'm Motor City Maggie and I'm coming to you from Plano, Texas, Toyota's North American headquarters for the world premiere of the Toyota RAV4. Thank you so much to Toyota for including me in this event. I'm going to give you a walk around tour of the limited model of the RAV4. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to Motor City Maggie, and now let's take a look at the brand new redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4 Limited. So the big announcement for the RAV4, besides the fact that it is all redesigned from the ground up, is that it is now an electrified only vehicle, meaning that it's only available as a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid. Now the Limited here, this one is a hybrid. They haven't announced the MPG yet, but since I get 39 miles per gallon combined on my all-wheel drive XSE from 2023, I'm definitely thinking that we're gonna look at about 41, 42, since this is getting a next generation hybrid powertrain. Now that is my estimate. Now if you were to go for the plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, that means that you are going to get 50 miles of all electric driving range, up 20% from the previous generation, which was 42 miles. Now with the hybrid model, you do not need to plug it in. It charges itself using regenerative braking. And with the plug-in hybrid, you have the option of plugging it in on a level 1, 2, or DC fast charging capability. And then with that DC fast charging, it would charge 10 to 80% in just 30 minutes. Also, that plug-in hybrid electric vehicle is going to get 320 horsepower, up from over 300 from the previous generation, and that means that we are getting the fastest and most powerful RAV4 ever. So for 2026, there are 7 different trim levels to choose from, and they fall in the categories of core, rugged, and sport. The core models are the LE, the XLE, and the Limited, which is shown here. The rugged edition is the Woodland edition, which I've already filmed a video on, and the sport category is the GR Sport, which is so cool, which is also on Motor City Maggie. Underneath the hood is a next generation, 5th generation hybrid powertrain with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. For the front wheel drive models, you're going to get 226 horsepower, and for all-wheel drive, you'll get 236 horsepower. So I drive a 2023 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XSE that gets 219 horsepower. So I'm excited about that 236. And here's another look underneath the hood of that hybrid powertrain. Let's take a look at the exterior design of the 2026 Toyota RAV4. Check out this front end. It looks so good. I love this really cool grille design. It is all color keyed, so we don't have a separate black or metal or plastic grille on the Limited model. We have a really pleasing elevated design with the color keyed grille. And we've got the Toyota badge right there on the top. This color is actually called Storm Cloud. It's a really nice color that debuted a few years ago. We often see it on the Grand Highlander, and it looks really good on the new RAV4. Take a look at these new LED headlights and daytime running lights. They are so sharp and they wrap around the corner of the vehicle and they look so good. We do have some plastic casing here with the fog lamp. And then as we come around, we'll check out the wheel. Check out the wheel design. These are 20-inch wheels. These are specific to the Limited model and they look so classy. Look at the mirror caps. We have black mirror caps, and if you come around to the side, you'll notice that we have a new blind spot monitor indicator that is now a little triangular design, and it used to be 2 cars crashing into each other, so this is actually a nicer design. I do like it. We do have some integrated black roof rails that look good, and I like this little black stripe here. It adds a little intrigue and a little style. Now we're going to take a look at the tail lights. They also wrap around the corner of the rear design and they look so good. I love these slashes, these piano keys. They look really, really nice, and it's such an elevated look to the old design of the taillights. We've got a nice little overhang right here with a light up top. We've got our windshield wiper, and then let's take a look at the badging. We've got our Toyota badge right here. It's very small and subtle, and then we've got the big RAV4 chrome letters right here. They're spaced out. It looks really nice. So we're kind of highlighting the RAV4 name more than the Toyota name in the back here, and it looks really great. Take a look at this badging here. HEV, hybrid electric vehicle, all-wheel drive, and we've got the little Beyond Zero button. All of Toyota's electrified vehicles will now have that button, so you'll know which models are hybrid, plug-in hybrid, battery electric, or fuel cell, because of that little indicator. Take a look at the limited badge here. This is the matching chrome to the RAV4 badge, and it looks really nice. For towing capabilities, you will get 3,500 pounds of towing on the all-wheel drive models and 1,750 pounds of towing on the front-wheel drive models. This hatch is unfortunately locked, but you can check out the cargo capacity in my Woodland Edition RAV4 video. Now let's check out the inside of the 2026 Toyota RAV4 Limited. Look at this beautiful interior. We have our nice heated steering wheel. We have all of our controls, our media controls on the left, our advanced driver assistance system buttons on the right, and we have a new 12.3-inch standard digital display screen behind the steering wheel. This is so big and so nice and a huge improvement from the previous generation. Now the center touchscreen, that one is a standard 10.5-inch, but the Limited gets the larger screen, which is 12.9 inches. And that will come with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, Sirius XM, all of your connectivity, and Toyota's latest generation of their advanced audio multimedia system that they have developed in-house. And one improvement that's really exciting if you have two drivers or two people that are often in the car together is that you can now have two simultaneous Bluetooth devices connected. So really great, especially for my husband and I, who are always fighting over who's connected to the Bluetooth in our 2023 Toyota RAV4. So we have two wireless charging pads, which is so nice. Again, if you have a husband and wife or you and your partner both have phones that you want to charge, you can both do it and you don't have to fight over that one charging pad, which is so nice. We also have a storage bin right here. We have two USB ports right here. We have drive modes here, EV mode here, trail and snow, and normal modes here. And we have two large cup holders that look like they would fit bottles and a really unique shift knob. This one is only on the Limited, not on the Woodland Edition or the GR Sport. It is really cool. It's like a little toggle switch. So that's kind of fun and unique. We've got our electronic parking brake and our brake hold button here. We also on the touchscreen will have our HVAC controls, which is nice and new. And we do have a couple physical buttons here as well as your volume knob. We also get the JBL sound system in the Limited model, which is so great. I have the JBL system in my XSE RAV4 and the speakers sound so good. I want to show you the center console. It's a little bit of an Easter egg here. It's very utilitarian. So you can either open it this way for your passenger or this way for your driver, or you can press both sides at the same time and actually remove it, flip it upside down, and then you have a nice hard surface that you can use to eat your lunch, drink your coffee, change a diaper, work on your laptop. There are a multitude of ways that you can use this nice flat surface. So what a fun idea. Holy smokes, I'm roasting. It is really hot out here in Texas. So let's check out the second row of seats in the Toyota RAV4 Limited. All right, this feels very comfortable and it feels very similar to my 2023 Toyota RAV4 XSE in terms of legroom and headroom. I'm 5'7", I have plenty of space, I feel really comfortable. You get two seat back pockets, you get two USB ports, and heated seats. Can you believe it? We have never had that before on a RAV4, and I'm excited for those chilly winter mornings and days for your second row passengers. The seats are really, really nice. They look really soft, and we've got a center armrest with two cup holders here. Now take a look at the panoramic moonroof. I have a panoramic moonroof on my 2023 RAV4 XSE, and this looks bigger. It looks significantly larger than the one that I have, so that's nice. You're bringing in a lot more light and a lot more sunshine. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 will come with TSS 4.0, which is the latest iteration of Toyota's advanced safety technology. TSS is a no-cost safety plan that comes standard on almost every single Toyota, so this will have the most advanced safety technology. It will come with pre-collision system with bicycle and pedestrian detection, lane departure warning with steering assist, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, lane keep assist, road sign assist, and proactive driving assist. And Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 promises to just make all of that technology a little sharper and a little bit better so you can get to your destination safely. Pricing and miles per gallon will be announced closer to the launch of the vehicle, which will happen in late 2025. Well, what did you think of the brand new redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4 Limited? Let me know in the comments. Also, make sure you don't miss my other RAV4 videos featuring the Woodland Edition and the GR Sport on Motor City Maggie. Thank you so much to Toyota for inviting me to this exclusive world premiere event. I am so grateful to be included. And thank you to you for watching this video. Make sure you give it a like and leave a nice comment and subscribe to Motor City Maggie so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. And until next time, motor on. Bye.